Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are thinking about using Ditto Music to distribute your music, there are a few important things you need to know first. In this video, I will cover the key points to help you make an informed decision. So let's dive in. Ditto Music is a popular music distribution service that allows independent artists to upload their music to major streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and more. They offer various pricing plans and services designed to help artists manage and monetize their music. Ditto Music offers several pricing options, including a basic plan that starts at $14 per year for unlimited releases. However, if you manage multiple artists, you will need separate accounts for each. Also, keep in mind that there may be additional costs for optional services like publishing and rights management. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of Ditto Music, starting with pros. Number 1, unlimited releases for a flat fee. Number 2, access to major streaming platforms. Number 3, user-friendly interface. Number 4, additional services like publishing and label management. But like any service, there are some cons to consider. The cons are: number 1, unlimited customer support. Number 2, annual renewal required. Number 3, no built-in audience growth tools. Number 4, extra fees for certain features. Before signing up, take a moment to read terms and conditions, especially regarding rights and royalties. Also, it's worth checking out user reviews online. Some artists have reported issues with customer support and delayed payments, so make sure you are comfortable with these potential risks. If Ditto Music doesn't seem like the right fit, there are plenty of alternatives such as DistroKid, TuneCore, and CD Baby. Each has its own pros and cons, so it's a good idea to compare them before making a decision. So in conclusion, Ditto Music can be a great option for independent artists, but it's important to understand what you are signing up for. Make sure it aligns with your needs and budget before moving forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on music distribution. Thanks for watching, guys.